Welcome back to Main Course with Annie, the kitchen edition. This week's episode, I'm going to tackle the ceiling. Where most people stop at the corner, I'm going to continue down to the crown. This is going to create an illusion of a bigger and taller kitchen. Make sure you cover your floor, countertops, cabinets, appliances, and any other surface with a drop cloth. The color I chose was Clark+Kensington After the Rain. This is going to give the kitchen a very breezy, open feel. I can't wait to see what this looks like on the ceiling. If your ceiling is textured, you'll want to use a thick nap roller to ensure you completely cover any imperfections in the surface. Ceiling paint finishes are usually flat, but an eggshell or satin finish paint offers a hint of reflective sheen. This can help brighten the space if you're using a darker color. This is my favorite part, seeing how it all comes together. I love this. Painting over the crown really makes my kitchen look bigger and taller. I absolutely love the dramatic look of a statement ceiling. And that After the Rain color is just perfect. If you do a statement ceiling like that at home, I need to know about it. So use the hashtag #TheHelpfulPlace and keep watching for another great ceiling makeover.